Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a gluten-free tacos. For the ingredients, we need some chicken tenders, cut small cubes like that. I add a little bit of whipped cream to make the chicken tender, salt, some spices, and black pepper. Is to taste, depend on quantity that you have. And for the chicken, I use chicken tenders. They are very soft. I'm using here also some ginger. Chicken goes good with ginger powder or ginger in general. Some garlic powder, or if you have any crushed garlic or fresh garlic, you can add it. I have here onion powder. It gives a nice taste to this recipe also. If you don't have it, you can replace it with fresh onions. But if your kids or family like the pieces of onions, if not, use the onion powder, some paprika, and also a little bit of cumin. If you have smoked paprika, it will give it a very nice taste. If not, use a little bit of the regular paprika. And here I will add some oregano. You can, if it's not like that, you can crush it between your fingers. If you don't have it crushed like that, it's really good with the chicken. And some sriracha sauce. If you like it a little spicy, or you can add some chili powder or cayenne pepper. And here I have a little bit of curry powder. This is a spicy curry powder. Now I mix all the spices, the chicken, until the chicken is coated with all the spices. I prefer if you can, mix the chicken with the spices a day before or a few hours before that you cook it, like that the chicken get all the flavors, the different flavors of the spices, and also be so tender. Now when I want to cook it, I get a regular pot. I put some good quantity of olive oil. I use olive oil in all my cooking. Then I drop all this chicken tenders to cook. The stove has to be a little bit high. It's between medium and high, like that the chicken don't have all the liquids coming out of chicken. You cook it, but without that the chicken release liquids. The same way how you do it for a steak, you do it for this chicken. And I keep mixing the chicken until all of it gets cooked and well done. It doesn't take a long time. It's quick, only a few minutes. If you prepare the day before, like if you come from work or school, you cook it quite quick like that. It doesn't take long time. But you keep cooking it until the chicken gets like brown and don't have no liquid release like that. It has to be really cooked and brown. I'm using here the gluten-free tortillas. And that's for the people that have celiac or gluten intolerance. For the people that don't have that, they can use a regular tortillas, whatever tortillas they like, any kind they prefer. Here I put a little bit of mayo. Then some of that chicken mixture filling. This is a very simple taco recipe. I will not add no vegetables to it. But if you like to add something else, we add it. This is a basic recipe. Now I'm adding cheese. You can add some mozzarella cheese or mozzarella cheese mixed with any other cheese you prefer. Here I have mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Then I fold it like that. You know, the gluten-free tortillas, they are not as soft like the regular tortillas. Like anything that you work with, it's gluten-free. Bread or tortillas, any products is different than the regular ones. They are not the same. But we try to make for the people with celiac, try to make the best of anything. You make it the closest than you can, make. Here I brush it with a little bit of butter, and I put it on the grill until it gets a nice brown color like that, and you will see how it looks. It looks really good, amazing, and also it tastes good. I said this is a basic recipe, only chicken and cheese. If you like to add any kind of vegetables, you can add it and fold it the same way. That was the recipe for today, gluten-free tacos, a good idea for dinner. You can accompany this one with a side of roasted vegetables or a nice salad, and you have a complete dinner. Thank you for watching. See you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy.